Your father's calling, well, just pick up the phone. Don't keep him waiting, waiting all alone. Your father's calling, well, just